Hello and welcome to our first quarters update for 2022. Today we're in Birmingham on site at JQ Rise. So what you can see behind me is the piling rig. So we're currently doing the piling for the 24-storey tower that will be located exactly where that piling rig is currently. I'm standing in Goodman Street, which is where the 4-storey building will be. Once the piling rig's done its job, the next stop will be foundations and substructure, which includes the drainage. FP McCann will deliver our superstructure, which is currently being manufactured off-site. So they'll bring that to site in concrete panels and then they'll erect it on site.
To explain how this works in greater detail, here's a short film from FP McCann.
The following video will illustrate advanced modern methods of construction, specifically precast reinforced concrete. Installation is clever but simple. To satisfy approved Document A of the building regulations, the sandwich panel walls and internal solid walls have continuous vertical ties. All floors are horizontally tied to their supports. The units are then fully grouted to provide a three-dimensional tied structure. Placed on top of these are precast slabs that cover an entire room. They can have cast-in conduits for lighting and recesses for bathroom pods. Alternatively, hollow-core precast concrete planks are used for longer spanning areas. These flooring units are lifted onto their final bearing directly from the delivery vehicles. The units do not require any temporary propping, and once grouted, they act as a diaphragm, which transfers the lateral forces to the cross walls, which subsequently transfers these forces down to the foundations to achieve stability. A precast building can be erected in as much as half the time as a traditionally constructed building. It is much more cost-effective, as off-site construction also eliminates the need for on-site storage and a large workforce. Only a small crew is needed, which also benefits greatly for health and safety and follow-on trades. The building can also be constructed in tight urban areas with very little noise pollution or interruption to the surrounding community. The versatility of this off-site solution means that precast concrete construction can be used in a broad spectrum of applications, such as hotels, hostels, social housing, student accommodation, apartment buildings, and prisons. There are other modern methods of construction, but lack the benefits of precast construction. Precast reinforced concrete units have the strength and durability. They come pre-fitted with doors, windows, and conduits for services. The units also have a finished exterior, and interior surfaces are suitable for direct decoration, which eliminates the need for dry-lined walls and suspended ceilings. The thermal mass properties of the exposed concrete enable it to absorb, store, and later radiate heat. Daytime temperatures can be reduced up to 5 degrees. Precast reinforced concrete is inherently fire-resistant, eliminating the need for site-applied fire protection and subsequently maintenance-free. Precast components are rapidly installed, with units delivered as they are needed, allowing follow-on trades access to the building much sooner and with no obstructions. Temporary works is not required, installation is quiet, no storage space required, and is suitable for tight construction sites. Much greater reduction in waste as units are made to order. And of course, with all the above taken into account, it is much more cost-effective.
So obviously we're early on in construction, but we'll keep you informed throughout the progress. We'll see you in the spring for another update where you'll be able to see the progress in the background again.